We have the BV17 tool with the 99BT-M12-IRBV nose. The component parts are the puller, the anvil, and the lock sleeve. So for the first step, we're going to thread the puller onto the nose adapter. You have to pay attention to these timing marks, these small grooves, in which the ball lock will sit once the puller is seated. And tighten. So we thread the puller until it bottoms, and then we back it out. So once we have the puller threaded on, we back it out slightly until we make sure that the ball lock finds the groove. And you'll see here that it pops in and out of that groove.
Perfect.
So we make sure it's located inside the groove. Then we slide the lock sleeve on. Next step, we're going to thread the anvil on. So once we have the anvil tightened down, we then insert a fastener that this nose is designed for, and we just make sure that we get full thread engagement on the pintail end. Once we know that this piece is installed correctly, we can then tighten up the lock nut. So we would take 2 adjustable wrenches or a large wrench or a vice grip, desk mounted vice grip, and just ensure that it is being held in place. And then we will tighten the lock nut. So that's